Hello and welcome back again, Power Up developers. This short video is to address the most common issue that I've discovered for Power Up Challenge developers. So if you've ever had a situation where you're building a flow and in the middle of building the flow you get a connection error, it tells you that your connection is not connecting properly. This will address that issue. And the actual solution is that you need to create a Power Up developer environment. As you can see, mine says TO dev environment. So this is a database environment that is given to you by Microsoft. So this is the site on how to create the developer account. If you go here, you can have like a brief description of what you will get for creating the developer account. A few things you're gonna get which are included is you're gonna have access to, of course, the connections, which are very important because you need them when you're creating your Power App, Canvas app, model driven apps. Yes, it gives you access to the Dataverse too, so you will get a fully scalable Dataverse that actually will give you access to a production environment. So anything you create in this environment, just know that it is yours forever. Well, not exactly forever, because if you don't use the account, and this is all, if you go here and read this, if you don't use the account for like 3 months, your account can will get deleted. So I would suggest just continue using it, even if it is creating a flow. But yeah, you need to create this developer environment with Power Apps developer plan, and you only need a work or school account. So you just need a work or school account, and then you come to this site here, click on sign up for Power, sign up on the Power Apps developer plan website. Fill all this out with your work and school email account, and then start building. So yes, please, I recommend everybody that's building apps for the Power Up Challenge to create this first before you start building your apps. If you do not create this first, chances are halfway into creating your app, by the time you get to the Power App flow, you will discover that you actually need to create this account. All right, thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.